This is recording about how to pin a specific internet location to the taskbar. I've already got this example set up. This goes right to my college's web page, but you can make it go to whatever web page you want it to go to. I will close this, minimize this, and I'm going to unpin this so I can start the demonstration. The first step you're going to do, you're going to want a URL address, a web address for this shortcut to go to. So for me, I've already got that shortcut on my taskbar here, and I'm double clicking it, and now I'm going to copy that. So I'll copy that web address, and I'm going to close that, minimize my Internet Explorer. And now I'm going to make a second shortcut. The problem with this shortcut is I can't pin it to my taskbar, and if I try to drag it to my taskbar, you see it wants to pin to the Internet Explorer, which is not what I want. I want a pinnable shortcut. I can accomplish that by right-clicking and going to New and going to Shortcut. And here's the trick. I type in the word Explorer before my web address, and then I'm going to do a space, and I'm going to do an open quote, and I'm pasting with a Control V on my keyboard my web address, and then I closed the quotes. So that's Explorer space open quote web address, close the quote, and I'll hit next to continue. And it says type a name, and this is kind of inconsequential because it goes away later, so I'm just going to say to pin to taskbar, and then I'll hit finish. Okay, and now when I right click on this, it lets me pin it to the taskbar, but I'll tell you that it uses this icon of the 3-tab file thing, and that is less useful because obviously the 3-tab file thing is already going on, so I'm going to pick a special icon. To do that, I'm going to right click on my new shortcut and go to Properties, and on the Shortcut tab there's a Change Icon button. So let's click that, and when I go there I see I have a little subset of things. Ooh, oh, maybe a globe. That would be a fun one. So I'm going to hit OK, and I'll say OK again, and now I have this globe, Saturn, Earth thing that I can use to pin to my taskbar. And I'm going to right click on that, and I'll pin it to the taskbar, and there it is. When I click on this on my taskbar, it takes me right to my URL web address. Great. So I'll close that, and I can actually get rid of this one on my desktop now. It doesn't much matter. This taskbar shortcut will still function without my original source shortcut. So there's your very fast launch means of getting to a specific web page.